and then unboxing the MMT LED 680C Pro panel. This is how it arrived. So let's get these garments off. And this eventually is what they actually look like. So this is the receipt. We always need to own this for safety reasons. This seems really light. This actually seems the same. They actually seem really light. Note, it's an MMT 680, not 660. There is a slight difference. And these, I assume, should be the batteries I ordered for. And yeah, they're actually the batteries. So, since the light needs 2 batteries to work on battery power, and I ordered for 3 of the panels, so I also ordered 5 batteries alongside the light for safety and advantage. I already had 1 battery I used with my sun gun, so that makes it a total of 6 at the moment. So let's check them out, so if there's any issues I can lay complaint immediately. Down in the description of this video, I have included links of a couple of other related videos on my channel where we demonstrate how to set up and operate other filmmaking and camera equipments. So after watching this video, I recommend you go check them out, make your choice, and learn an additional filmmaking skill for yourself. That's the manual, but we'll look at that in another video. And this already looks and feels pretty. So this has 2 rotatable knobs behind, one labeled as color, which is used in controlling the color temperature from the orange tungsten temperature of 3200 degree Kelvin to the bluish daylight temperature of 5600 degree Kelvin. And the second is labeled dimmer, used in controlling the intensity of light from 1% to as high as 100% for both the tungsten and the daylight temperature independently. Also, there is this on and off switch which needs a little force to push it to the right or to the left, which is either offing it or on it, and it's displayed right there, so there is no confusion there. You can choose to on or off depending on where you push it to. The 2 battery sockets, the power socket, and finally a small but very bright display screen. This LED light panel contains 352 tungsten bulbs and 352 daylight bulbs, which makes it a total of 704 bulbs. Very firm and effective 4 bundles that allows you to control the direction of the light, though not so effective because it's an LED panel, so most likely the light would spread. But these bundles at least gives you some level of control on the direction where you don't want the light to hit and where you want the light to go to. About its power adapter, it came with a 15 amp volt power adapter, while the light itself recommends 12 volt power source. Because of this, I had some very terrible experience initially. It was always going off every now and then in the middle of a shoot, until I realized and then changed the power pack to a 12 volt capacity power pack. And ever since, it's been an amazing and excellent experience working with this light.